Hey everyone, DCB here again. As you may recall a few videos ago, I did a test comparison between two of the chroming kits that I purchased. The first was from Angel Gilding and cost around $500. It was an industry recommended kit that looked like it had the potential to work, but it was so dang finicky that I gave up after several unsuccessful attempts. Quite a shame too, because the parts that did work looked amazing. I was really hoping it would work. The second was the much internet hyped Elsa Easy Chrome kit at around $250. Again, it looked like it had the potential to work, and it did work great on the sample pieces they provided, but my pieces just ended up looking a sort of dull gunmetal gray. Completely frustrated with not only these kits, but with myself, I put the project aside again for a couple weeks and I worked on other things. Then one day I saw this advertisement on Facebook for the chromiest of chrome mirror paints by Culture Hustle. It was only $37, so I thought, oh well, why not try it again? A week or so later, and here it is. Now, from the pictures in the ad, it looked like a much bigger bottle, but I guess I didn't really see any images to show scale, so that's what it is. It's so small and cute, though. Let's see how it works. Now, it's recommended that you use a very soft synthetic brush. I'm just going to pour a teeny little bit into this dish here, as I read that a little bit goes a long way, which is good because there really isn't much in this bottle. Dip the tip of your brush in and start painting away. Since this is a solvent rather than a paint, it goes on very smoothly. You'll want to do light, fast, and thin strokes, covering the area as quickly as possible. Don't worry too much about brush lines, as it's easier to remove them on the second round than it is to try to work them out in this layer. Wow, the stuff is already looking pretty amazing. I can see that it's given off a very reflective surface. Holy cats, I can't believe it. With the first layer done, I'm going to let this dry for a bit and come back for a second layer and try to get rid of some of the brush strokes I still have. You'll want to immediately clean off your brush though with a paint thinner or a solvent. Now onto the second layer. This time I'm pouring into a cut down plastic cup, as a lot of the paint ended up absorbing into the paper cup that I used previously. I'm just going over the first layer ever so lightly, basically kind of dry brushing it on. This is to get rid of any light brush strokes, of which there really weren't that many. And here it is. Look at this. This is incredible. I'm not sure it's picking up on camera as well, but trust me, this looks amazing in person. I can see my reflection in it, and I'm totally in shock. There's a few areas I need to touch up, but wow. I'm both giddy like a schoolgirl that I finally found something that works and is super easy, but I'm also a little sad, like a goth schoolgirl, that I wasted so much time and money on those other kits. My only question now is how durable it is. I wanted to try and clear coat it, so I did a test on a scrap piece. I had this unused can of clear top coat from the Elsa kit, so I sprayed it on and immediately the surface just dulled down and looked like your standard silver spray paint. Some more experimenting and research to be done. So that's it! The chroming issue has been solved. And now it's on to perfecting Rascal's transparent blue dome.